Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Ena Friedrich and for today I prepared for you something cute, something smoky, something green, colorful. Anyway, this is the clip from my latest video and for today I'm gonna do this. Hopefully you like it. Let's just start with this transformation because I'm about to be late at my work. As usual, I'm gonna start this makeup tutorial with foundation. I already prepped and primed my face, so I'm going directly with foundation drops from Revolution Pro. In case you're interested to check for details, full product name, shades or brushes which I'm using, you can check description box because everything is listed down below. Now I'm gonna switch to the eyes. I picked Warrior 2 palette from JUVIA'S and this is entirely matte palette. Medical tape is here just to help me to achieve that cat eye sharp line both for my eyeshadow application and later on for my eyeliner. So I'm starting with medium-sized blending brush and warm terracotta shade. I'm not trying to be super precise because I'll diffuse the edges in a minute with a bigger brush. But before that, I'm gonna apply this beautiful deep red shade mainly in my outer corner, and once I blend it and there's not much product left on the brush, I'll drag it into my crease. And for this purpose, I'm using smaller blending brush because with the darker shades, you want to use smaller brushes. If you feel like you need to add more of that first shade, go on and add more pigment. Take your time and blend those shades together. Switch your brushes if you feel like you need to. I wanted this crease to pop up in contrast with the lid shades, so I added more of those shades. If you want to tone it down and create more of a soft look, simply use less pressure and less product. Here you can see me with that clean fluffy brush I mentioned not a long time ago. It's a soft blending brush without additional product and I'm going all around the edges in order to diffuse any harsh lines. And before I went with a shimmer shade, I really want to bring some drama in my outer V. Black eyeshadows can be tricky to blend and intimidating. If you feel like that, I suggest you to use deep dark browns or grays. But I love black eyeshadows and I'm using it in almost all of my looks. Next palette I'm about to use is this beautiful Saharan 2 palette, again from JUVIA'S, but I picked it for this video solely for this shade. On your screen it might seem as white, but it's actually a light mint shade. I'm applying it wet with flat brush on first half of my lid and then I'm gonna bring it further up into my crease with the same small blending brush I used for that red shade. In the meanwhile, I cleaned it, of course. Not a lot of people like to drag shimmer shades into the crease because they can reveal your skin imperfections and texture, but I don't mind it. I think it looks pretty. And just to bring this look to another level and make it extremely sparkly and glittery, I'm going on top with this mint shade with holographic eyeshadow topper from M. This one is in shade Supernova. I like to apply it with my finger, but if you prefer to use flat brushes, go ahead and do you. And now I'm gonna do my base makeup and then we'll be back to finish the eyes. I'm gonna show you all products I've used, but I decided to mainly focus on the eye makeup in this tutorial since I don't want this video to come up too long. So I applied eyeliner and the one I use is matte black from Catrice. Then I cream contour with Ultra HD cream contour from Revolution. This one is in medium shade. And for my under the eye concealer I use Huda Beauty in shade N4. Then I went with Iconic London highlighter in shade Gold Original. And I'm about to set my face with Hallberg Infinity Filter Loose Setting Powder in shade Light, and I'm using this only under my eyes, smile lines and my nose. On the rest of my face I'm applying Treble Touch Meteorites from Guerlain because I want radiance instead of matte finish. To set my cream contour in place I'm using the same palette, but this one is powder version in shade Fair. And I really love these palettes. They're so affordable but very easy to blend and the shades are just perfect for contouring. And I'm going all over where I cream contour with the lightest shade and then in hollows of my cheeks I'm applying slightly darker shade. I use the same palette to contour my nose and with a highlighter from the same palette I'm going on my brow bone, bridge of my nose and the tip of my nose. And now I'm gonna bronze and I have this magnetic palette with my Guerlain products. First I'm going to use mix of two lighter shades from Terracotta Sun Trio Bronzer in Deep. Guerlain makes the best bronzer I've tried so far. They're so creamy and finely milled, easy to blend and yet pigmented, warm, and the scent is amazing. And now I'm gonna add this slightly warmer and darker bronzer from the same brand. It's actually a terracotta face powder in shade 4, Moyen Blondes, and I'm placing it only on my cheeks. I love how this looks so far. Before I add highlighter, I'm gonna use setting spray. This one is from My Heart Revolution in coconut and vanilla scent. While my base is still tacky, I'm gonna apply Artist Couture in shade Illuminati, which is my favorite highlighter. It's that perfect gold shade and I simply love it. Going back to the eyes, I'm using small blending brush and the brown shade all along my lower lash line. I'm not going to drag it low today. Usually I would, but I kind of want to keep this relatively soft and romantic instead of my usual grungy dramatic looks. These straight cut bristles on a Morphe brush are great for lower lash line. I love to apply dark shades with it because it's giving me like a very precise line. I use it in this case to apply dark grey shade. Then I went and tight lined my upper lash, added black kajal in my waterline and highlighted inner corner with Collision, which is the gold shade from Linda Hallberg Metallic Mysteries Volume 1 palette. I also added this shade on the top of my cheeks. Then with a mascara from Guerlain and Lullaby Lashes from Second Guessing, I finished this eye look. For my lips, I simply applied lip liner from Farmasi. This is well loved and used. The shade is 222. I just have to brush my hair and this makeup look is done. I really like how this tutorial turned out. I'm off to work now, so I have to say goodbye to you all. Thank you for watching. If you want to support me, kindly click the subscribe button. Enjoy your day and hopefully I'll see you next time. Bye bye.